Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How to find three irrational numbers between 2 and 2.5. Irrational numbers between 2 and 2.5 equal root over 2 into 2.5 equal root 5 equal 2.24. Again, the irrational numbers between 2 and 2.24 equal root over 2 into 2.24 equal root 4.48. Further, the irrational numbers between 2.24 and 2.5 equal root over 2.24 into 2.5 equal root 5.6. Hence, the irrational numbers 2.24, root 4.48 and root 5.6 lies between the given fractions 2 and 2.5. Similarly, how to find two irrational numbers between 2 and 3? Answer is root 5 and root 6. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to soft copy of this video, then check the description box and click the link to get PDF file. Next time I will discuss more informative mathematical video. My dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also likes, comments and share.